now we will see question number 2 of exercise 11.3. Now let us see the question. Question number 2 is find the area of the following circles given that. Now in some question radius is given, somewhere diameter is given. Okay, so radius or diameter, either one of them is given, and the value of pi is given to you 22/7, and with the help of this information you will find out area. So हमको क्या calculate करना है? Area. So how we will take out area with the help of the given information? So first of all, let us recall the formula for area of circle. It is pi r square. Okay, so this is the formula. So using this formula we will find out area in all this question. Now radius अगर दिया है directly, so no problem, आप directly radius का value है that you will put up. But in some question, see the second part, diameter is given. आपको diameter दिया है 49 meter. So diameter is double of radius. So diameter आपको दिया है, तो how you will find out radius? जब diameter दिया है तो पहले आपको radius निकालना है, उसके बाद आपको area मिलेगा, because for area we need radius. So diameter जो भी दिया है उसका half कर दो, divide by 2, and then you will get the value of radius. Okay, so let us see the solution part, that it will be more clear. So first one is radius is 14 millimeter. Okay, now here radius is given 14 millimeter. Area of circle formula is pi r square. So pi r means radius which is given, 14 आपको दिया है, r square मतलब हमको 14 into 14 2 times लेना है. So I'll show you the calculation part here. Pi r square means pi multiply by r multiply by r 2 times. Okay, so pi means this is given 22/7 multiply by r. Radius आपको क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी गिवन है 14. So 14 आपको 2 times लेना है because it is r square. So 7 1s and 7 2s. Cancellation possible है. Okay, so we will do it. Now cancellation is not possible. This 7 we have removed. Now 22 multiply by 2 multiply by this 14. So these 3 are left with us. 22 multiply by 2 and multiply by 14. So you need to multiply this 3. And after multiplication, your answer will be 616 millimeter square. So this will be our answer for first one, that is A part. Now we will see second one solution. Second one, diameter is given to us. Diameter is 49 meter. Now diameter is given and the formula for area is pi r square. So we need to find out first radius with the help of diameter. So आपको diameter दिया है 49, पहले आपको radius निकालना है. So 49 divide by 2, you can do it and you will get the answer in decimal point, and then you can keep that value. Or next option is, in place of keeping this value directly, you can keep 49/2 also. आप ये भी value put up कर सकते हो, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. या तो आप इसको डिवाइड करके वैल्यू रखो, या तो आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में ही वैल्यू रख दो. फ्रैक्शन में रखने से कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सिंपल हो जाएगा. सो दैट विल बी द पार्ट. नाउ प्रोसीडिंग अहेड विद दिस. सो डायमीटर इज गिवन 49 मीटर. नाउ एरिया इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज 22/7 एंड रेडियस एज आई टोल्ड यू इज हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर. सो 49 की जगह पे आपको लेना है 49/2, ये आपका रेडियस होगा. देन वन मोर टाइम वी विल टेक 49/2. सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस, 22/7 इंटू 49/2 इंटू 49/2. नाउ कैंसिलेशन वी विल डू. सो 7 1s and 7 7s 49. Again 2 1s and 2 11s. So what is left with us? 11 into 7 into 49. Okay, so 11 into 7 into 49 whole upon 2. So this is left with us. Okay, now you need to multiply this 3 and then you need to divide it by 2. So if you multiply this 3, 11 into 7 into 49, your answer will be 3773. So this 377 by 2, and you need to divide it by 2, and after dividing you will get this answer. 1886.5 meter square. Don't forget to write meter square because for area we always use square units. So meter square, okay, everywhere square should come. Now third one, radius is given, so it is again very simple. Radius is given 5 centimeter. Now again formula for area is pi r square. Pi means 22/7 and radius is 5, so 5 into 5, so 22/7 into 5 into 5. Now here cancellation is not possible, so you just have to multiply this 3. Multiply this 3, 22 into 5 into 5. So after multiplying this 3, the answer will be 550. So 550 is your answer. Now this 550 you divide it by 7, and after division your answer will be 78.57 centimeter square. So this will be your area. Okay, so this way with the help of formula you can easily find out area when radius is given or when diameter is given. So this was question number 2 of exercise 11.3.